everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with week 3 of mega event stuff. We actually rolled into a new mega event today. It's another buy 5 save 5 mega. Lots and lots of items, lots of deals that are going on right now with that at Kroger. It's crazy. So this is the coupon deals video. However, if you want to see just the participating items that are on this mega event, you can click the little eye in the top right corner. It will direct you to that. But I also did a video about a 5 times digital coupon event going on right now with the organic items. So you can also find that with that link up there. There will be a printable breakdown for this. It will come up like last week, Thursday by 3 p.m. Eastern time. I'm really going to try to get up earlier, but since I'm back in school, I have a really busy day tomorrow. I have a meeting that I have to go to for school with an advisor, so I have a lot going on tomorrow. So I'll try to get it up before then. We'll see what happens. Let's just dive right into these crazy awesome Kroger deals. This is not a mega event item. It is a moneymaker. It's the Preparation H towelettes. They're $3.69. We got a $2 off coupon in the what was this Sunday? $8.19. Retail Me Not. There's a $2 savings start. That's going to make it a 31-cent moneymaker for these Preparation H towelettes. Even if you can't use them, you can always donate them. For a moneymaker, you might as well go ahead and pick them up. The finished quantum tabs still sold out at my store. 3 weeks in a row they've not had them. I don't get it, but they're $2.69, $3 off coupon. Came out in the 8.5 smart stores, so it's going to make it free plus a little bit of a moneymaker for the dish tabs, which is a great deal. The Miss Cummins croutons, 69 cents, dollar off 2 printable coupon. I'll have in the description box below to print. So you'll get these croutons for 19 cents each after the mega event discount. Next up, we have the Advil. It is $4.29. There is a $2 coupon from the $8.19 Retail Me Not. There's a $2 Savings Star rebate. So it ends up making these only 29 cents. He Love a Good Dip, 99 cents. We have a 55-cent coupon. I do sincerely apologize because I can't find this on any insert database or anything. I'm pretty sure it came from the 729 Smart Source. I just cut all my coupons out and put them in the binder, so I don't know the exact insert. I'm pretty sure it was $7.29. We got a 55-cent off coupon for this, so it'll make it only 44 cents, which is a really great price. Clean lotion is $2.49. We have a coupon for $2 off that came in the $8.19 Retail Me Not, so it'll make these only 49 cents for the Vaseline, which is a really, really good deal for this product. You buy Kotex products, $1.99. We got a $3 off 2 coupon. That coupon came back in the 8.12 Smart Source. So it'll make these only 49 cents each. Now, as you can hear again, the birds outside are going crazy. Every time I start filming, they all just start chirping. So I don't know. But yeah, 49 cents for those. Cooked Perfect Meatballs. Still on sale, $1.99. We have a $1.50 off printable. I will have it in the description box below. These are only 49 cents. Full dippers are $1.99. We got a 50-cent coupon in the 8.5 Smart Source. Plus Savings Star is currently giving back $1. So ends up making these 49 cents. If you're like me, I have a $2 best customer bonus coupon. Since that's a store coupon, I can use it with the manufacturer coupons. I'd be able to have a really big moneymaker. But otherwise, you're going to be able to get these for 49 cents, which still isn't bad. Band-Aid shear strips, they are 99 cents on the mega event. We have a coupon for 50 cents off from the 729 Retail Me Not. So you'll get these Band-Aids for only 49 cents. Pampers Baby Wipes are $1.09. We have a 50-cent digital coupon you can load right now. These will only be 59 cents. Puffs tissues are 99 cents. We got a 25-cent coupon coming in September P&G. That comes out this Sunday. So it'll make these only 74 cents. The store was all cleared out of these, but the Kool-Aid Jammers are 89 cents, which is a good deal. And also the Minute Maid juice, those are over in like the kind of by the iced coffee and stuff like that in the dairy area. They're 89 cents as well, which is a really good price for that. The Hefty slider bags, they are currently $1.39 in the mega event. Some of you are going to find these cheaper. I saw online on Instagram that some people have these for 59 cents. So if you're fortunate to have them for 59 cents, you would really get a good deal here. But we got a $1 off 2 coupon in the 624 Retail Me Not. So for those who have them for $1.39, they'd be 89 cents. If you have them for 59 cents, you would get these for only 9 cents. So really good deal. The Pop-Tarts are $1.49. We got a coupon for $2 off of any 4 in the 729 Retail Me Not. So you can get these for 99 cents each, which is a really good deal for Pop-Tarts. Stonefire products are $1.99. We got a $1 off coupon in the 520 Retail Me Not. So these will only be 99 cents each. Oscar Mayer hot dogs are 99 cents each on the mega event. No coupons needed. Same goes with the Krusty's, I think that's how you say it, cornbread, 99 cents on the mega event, no coupons needed, just a really good stock-up price, and a good filler item to finish out your mega event. So for the mid-video poll that I do every week now, many of you seem to really enjoy these, so I'm going to keep them up. For this week, it's kind of a two-part question. I want to know your favorite store to coupon at and your least favorite store to coupon at. Because yeah, there are some stores out there that take coupons I just despise, and it's not even worth the trouble. My favorite store, it's kind of a toss-up. You can have more than one favorite if it's kind of hard for you to choose. I really like Kroger and Walmart, but probably Kroger comes first because they have the best deals. They have better deals than Walmart on a lot of things. My least favorites are Walgreens because they're really rude in my area, and Dollar Tree. I really don't like couponing at the Dollar Tree at all. Everything's just a big deal to them, and the computers never work. Stuff randomly beeps for no reason. Yeah, Dollar Tree, I've been told I'm going to make them lose their job. It's just not worth the hassle. So let me know in the comments. That's a really interesting question. Let me know in the comments where your favorite place to coupon is and your least favorite place to coupon. So for this deal on the Blue Diamond Almonds or on the mega event for $1.99, we have a $1 off coupon for this 5-ounce bag from the 812 Smart Source. So these almonds are 99 cents, which is a really good deal for any kind of almonds. But I did not mention, it has to be on the Blue Diamond Gourmet almonds. Doesn't work just on any kind of almonds. So we have the International Delight Creamer. It's $1.99. There's a $1 off coupon I will have in the description box below. It is printable. You have to sign up for their emails. If you already have, you probably won't be able to get a coupon again. But it ends up making these only 99 cents for the coffee creamer. Breeze, it's $1.99. We are getting a BOGO coupon in this month's P&G, and it comes on this Sunday in P&G, so it'll make the Febreze 99 cents each. Another no coupons needed deal, the Ballpark Buns or the Kraft Salad Dressing, 99 cents. Again, no coupons needed for this, the Pillsbury Brownie or Cake Mix. They are regularly like $2.59. They're on sale for $1, so it's a great deal. Savoy products are $1.49. There is a 75-cent off of any 2 Nabisco products coupon, and that coupon came back and it was recent. Let me check again. I'm sorry for not having the date. I'm horrible at remembering dates on coupons. It came in the 812 Smart Source, so it'll make these cookies $1.11 each, which is a really good deal. Also use that same coupon for the Ritz. They're $1.79, so you get them for $1.42. Food Network dressing is $1.99. There are 75-cent Peely coupons right on the product, so it ended up making them $1.24. And my store had tons of Peelys. I usually don't post deals with Peelys, but I bet everyone's store does just because my store had them on every single bottle. So $1.24, awesome deal. Eckrich smoked sausage is currently $1.99 on the mega event, and we did have a printable coupon for 55 cents off. I will have that in the description box below to print. So you get the sausage for $1.44, which is a really good price. Fiber One Protein Plus. They're not Fiber One, they're Protein One. They're Protein One bars. They are $1.99 on the mega event. We have a 50-cent off coupon, and that coupon came out of, let me check real quick. It came out of I believe it was the 729 Smart Source. So after utilizing that coupon, you're going to get these for only $1.49 a bar. Top ice cream is $2.99. There is a $1.50 coupon that we got back in the 8.5 Smart Source. So you're going to get these ice creams for $1.49. Now, if you're not choosy about calories or whatever, because these are low-calorie ice cream, if you are good with any ice cream or just want the real stuff, the Edie's ice cream is $1.99, and that is a really awesome price. And I also had tons of best customer coupons for the Edie's. So you should totally check your best customer. But if you're just wanting some regular ice cream, go with the Edie's and not the Halo Top. Like Halo Top, this is a really, really good price for it because it's very expensive stuff. One Perfect Bar multi-packs, $3.49. Use the $1.75 off digital coupon, and you will get these for $1.74. Smucker's ice cream toppings. This isn't the best, but I just want to point out for anyone who likes this stuff. It doesn't really go on sale that much. We have a buy one, get one free digital coupon right now, so you will get these for $3.59 for 2 of them. Oscar Mayer Deli Fresh 1 pound lunch meat is $4.49. Use a 75-cent printable. I will have in the description box below to print, and you will get these for $3.74. Totally olive oil. Now this is a lot, but if this is something that you frequently like and it doesn't go on sale that much, it is a pretty good discount. It is $4.49. Or $4.99. I'm sorry. We got $1 off coupon from the 617 Smart Source, so it ends up making these $3.99 for the olive oil. Last but not least, Pampers diapers are $7.99, and we're getting a $3 coupon in this month's P&G. So you're going to get these Pampers for only $4.99 a pack, which is awesome. Yeah, that is all that I have for now. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're still here, answer that poll question. Share this video so that other people can see it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.